Hello everyone and welcome back to the board. Our problem this time is finding a missing number. 4 plus 2 multiplied by, in parentheses, a plus 2 equals 12. This letter A is hiding a value. Our job, find it, and we will do it with two different methods. But before we solve it, let's test your intuition. Take a quick guess. What number do you think A is? Drop your guess in the comments right now. Don't worry if you are wrong. Just trust your gut. Let's see who gets it on the first try. Now let's look at the rules. First, let's number the operation using PEMDAS. Remember PEMDAS? Parentheses, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Parentheses first. So the plus inside is number 1. Then multiplication. The 2 outside is number 2. Last, the plus 4 is number 3. That is how the equation is built. 1, 2, 3. To find A, we undo in reverse, like countdown. 3, 2, 1. First method, the countdown. 2 rules of undo. Rule 1, every move has an opposite. Rule 2, the equal sign is a balance. Whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. Undo number 3. The move was plus 4. Opposite is minus 4. Both sides. 12 becomes 8. Undo number 2. Divide by 2. Both sides. 8 becomes 4. Undo number 1, minus 2, both sides, A equal 2. Case closed. Now second method. Takes a different route. Instead of the countdown, we open the parentheses first. The 2 outside multiplies everything inside. 2 times A and 2 times 2. The equation becomes 2a plus 8 equals 12. Subtract 8 both sides. Divide by 2 both sides. A equals 2. Same answer. 2 roads, 1 destination. Now let's check it. Put 2 back into A. Now your turn. 5 plus 3 times the parentheses A plus 1 equals 20. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.